Constantly wiping your stainless steel surfaces but still seeing fingerprints everywhere? Not to worry. In this video, we're going to show you an easy way to keep your stainless steel surfaces smudge and fingerprint free. First, clean the surface. Here we're just wiping down the surface using a microfiber towel and some warm water with a drop of dish soap. You can also use a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part distilled white vinegar. After cleaning, add a small amount of baby oil to a fresh towel. Gently buff the entire surface with the towel, working in a nice thin layer on top. Be sure to smooth out across the entire surface and wipe down any more saturated spots. Now you're all set. No more fingerprints. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.